Pet Aim Smart Pet Feeder. This smart pet feeder download the Smart Life app and intelligently control the feeder through the mobile phone. After setting the meal schedule, the automatic smart pet feeder food medicine can work normally whether online or offline. Make sure that the pet feed normally voice recording element. The pet feeder record your voice so that pets are no longer alone. You can share your smart pet feeder with and help you feed your pets when you are not out to keep food fresh. We provide you with 4-liter automatic cat feeder is controlled by the app, so you can no longer worry about the health of your pets due to work and going to out Wi-Fi network. This scheduled setting from Smart Life app can help us to make pets have a diet. If you set the feeding plan, pet feeder may take care of your pet meal and you pet may no longer be hungry. Schedule up to meals day portion per meal. Dry food with the pellet size in the built decent box. Keep the pet food dry and fresh. You can need to set the schedule when the feeder is only and make sure if the feeder loses Wi-Fi connect. The feeding schedule is suitable. Still valid feeder is only day dry pet food timetable for providing up to meals. You can develop a personalized plan. Prevent your pet from overeating. Personalized recording functions. Call your pet when food is distributed. This automatic pet smart cat feeder has dual power supplies. All parts can the disassembled and storage slots allows you to clearly know the amount of food. Place the feeder in the corner of the wall to prevent it from tripping over. Must be 2.4 GHz frequency to the pet feeder work normally. This feeder is only suitable for pet dry food. The schedule for providing pets. You can develop a personalized meal plan for your pet to prevent your pet from overeating. You can call your pet to eat by recording your voice. If know that you are by this side and will not be sad because of the temperature. Automatic smart pet feeder distributors. All parts can storage tanks allows you to clearly know the amount of food. Place the feeder in the corner of the wall to prevent from tripping